everybody. So I've been practicing the hand drill, as you'll see in this video, and for the longest time I had a really hard time with the hand drill, and a friend gave me a tip that I thought I would share to help anybody out who may be trying to learn how to do the hand drill. And basically all you do is you add just a very tiny little bit of really fine sand or clay or something like that to the divot in your board, and it will help add friction to the spindle and board, and it'll also help produce more dust. And I'm going to give you an example of that. Right now. Hopefully. Let's get this thing going. Get my hole. Alright. Sorry about the hole in my sock. This is one of my beater socks that I just wear around the house. Alright, we got it. Okay. There, so it was a bit more work than the last time, but you get the idea. Let me turn that around so you can see it. There's Nicole. I would put that into a tinder bundle and blow it into flame. Yeah, so that using sand helped out a lot. These are my friction fire trials right here. I'm just learning friction fire. I'm not a master by no means, but I want to learn it. And I figure, why not give you this friction fire tip?